Hello guys, it's Johnny Time and welcome to another decentralized finance tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we can create and use an Avalanche wallet. If you heard recently, everyone talks about it. Avalanche is the new chain, Avax coin that everyone is talking about due to the new technology that they announced. We are not going to discuss today about the Avalanche chain, what I think about it and about this future of the Avax token or the chain itself, but today it's educational tutorial of how we can create an Avalanche wallet and start using it through the three different blockchains that they have, the C chain and all the other chains. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the small bell button so anytime I post this kind of videos you get notification and you can watch them. If it's tutorials, if it's alerts for price actions, everything will be there. Now let's get started, and this is the Avalanche chain. If you heard about it, if not, it's the new hot thing that everyone talks about. It's already the 20th coin in coin market cap, and this is the Avalanche ecosystem. You can see that the market cap of Avax token already reached $10 billion, and there are a lot of decentralized apps. The transactions are really fast and the fees are very low, very similar to Binance Smart Chain or to Polygon or Phantom or all the other chains that are right now trying to compete with Ethereum due to the high transaction fee and the long waiting line into getting into the block. So this is Avalanche, and the first thing that you will need to do in order to start using Avalanche is create an Avalanche wallet. So in order to do so, you go to wallet.avaxnetwork. This is the address. I will put a link in the description below of this kind of address. And then you have two options. You can access an existing Avalanche wallet or create a new wallet. Now you want to create a new wallet because you never had an Avalanche wallet in the past. So we're going to click here, create new wallet. And this button here now will generate a new key phrase to set up your Avalanche wallet. Make sure to keep this key in a secret place, preferred not online place, not in a computer that's connected to the internet. Maybe write it somewhere on a note, like, you know, if you're used to it with MetaMask wallet or MyEther wallet or all this kind of physical wallet, this is kind of physical wallet. This is your wallet. It's not a bank, it's not an exchange. No one will recover the key phrase for you if something happens. So it's your responsibility to keep this phase, the secret phase, secured, this key secured. Do not lose it, because if you lose it, you will not be able to recover and restore your wallet. So I'm going to click here, generate key phrase, and now it will basically gives me 24 different words, and they ask you, they explain about this kind of things. You need to write this word in the right order, save them aside. So I'm gonna just save it on the other side here. All right, I got the words. Let's organize it a little bit. Okay, now access the wallet. Now they want actually to fill the missing words, so they tell you, all right, we want to make sure to confirm that actually you are able to remember the words. So I'm gonna just complete the 10th and 17th and 15th word. So this of course will be censored because I'm not gonna share my key with you guys, and you also do not share this key with anyone else, because this is basically, if someone has this kind of words in this kind of order, basically is able to access all the funds and steal your funds from the wallet. So I'm gonna fill the words, and the 17th is gonna be this one, 15 will be this one, and the 22 will be this one. All right, so let's try again. Okay, I had a typo. All right, now I verified my wallet and I'm gonna access my wallet. So I'm gonna click access wallet, and now it will redirect me to my new generated wallet. Again, make sure that your secret is backed up in a secure place. It might be writing it a paper and hiding it somewhere in your house, maybe sending it to someone that you trust, maybe store it in your computer, but make sure to encrypt it before, because if someone hacks your computer, maybe on the cloud, but maybe even a disk on keys that is disconnected from the computer. You have a lot of ideas. Be creative about it, but make sure that it's one, secure, two, you have access to it. Now, here is my new wallet, and I have here a wallet address, so I can receive AVAX tokens to my wallet or any AVAX compatible tokens. Another cool thing about this AVAX wallet, you can actually add different tokens. It's very, very similar to MetaMask, but in that case, it's not an extension, but it's a web application where you have your wallet address, you can receive funds, you can add different tokens. And something that is quite different from MetaMask or any other wallets, if it's, I don't know, Trust or Binance Wallet, all these kind of wallets that you are familiar with, that in this wallet you have three different chains. You have the X chain, the P chain, and the C chain. And if you will notice, every chain you will have different wallet address. So here in the X chain you have this kind of wallet address. In P chain it's the same address, just the first letter is gonna be changed from X to P. And then the C chain is completely different address. This is a chain that is compatible with EVM. Okay, this is the chain for the smart contract. So let's a bit talk about this kind of chains, because it's very important to understand, because it's different than Ethereum in a case. So you have the cross chain, all right, the X chain. You have the X chain, which is the exchange chain. This is the chain where you send and get AVAX tokens. So when we'll have another tutorial how to bridge tokens from BSC or funds from Ethereum, BSC, Polygon to AVAX, you will do it through the X chain. Then you can use the cross chain in order to move the assets from X chain, let's say, to the P chain. P chain is the platform chain where you can actually stake your AVAX token and help to verify the network and get rewards in terms of more AVAX tokens. And then you have the C chain. C chain is the contracts chain. This is the EVM compatible chain, very, very similar to Binance Smart Chain, to Polygon, Ethereum, Phantom. You will have the same wallet address. You can have the same wallet address in all the other chains because it's EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine compatible. And if you want to start using decentralized apps in Avalanche, you will have to move your funds using this kind of wallet, this kind of user interface. You will move your funds, you will fund your wallet to the X chain, the AVAX tokens, then you can move them out to the C chain and start using all the decentralized apps on the Avalanche EVM network. So all the DEXs, all the yield farms, all the smart contracts similar to Ethereum, this will be on the C chain. So this is basically how you can create and use Avalanche AVAX token. I try to make it the most simplistic way, so it will be very easy to get started for you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you have any questions about AVAX or Avalanche, if you want to share with me something, feel free to write it in the comments, and please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell notification button, and of course smashing this like button so YouTube will expose this video to more people. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.